beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a really exciting unboxing from the Face Masks Club, which is a face mask subscription box. Before we do get into this, if you are new here, I am LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up so I know to do more of these in the future. And let's just get straight into what is in this month's Face Masks Club subscription box. Let's go. So I'm just checking on their website, so you can choose either a 5 mask subscription box or you can choose a 7 mask subscription box. That was hard to say. So the 5 masks a month is £9.95. You can subscribe and save, which means that you'll get it every single month and it'll cost £9.45. Or you can just do a one-time purchase, which I think is really good. It's also good for kind of like Christmas and stuff, especially if you want to give a gift to somebody but you can't see them face to face. Then you could always just do a one-time purchase and directly send it to the house and then they've got it ready. So yeah, the 5 masks is £9.95 and the 7 masks are £12.99. But if you do the subscribe and save where it comes every single month, it works out as £12.34 instead because you save 5% when you do it that way. I have one of the 7 masked boxes. I do have a discount code, so let me just get that up before I forget. So if you want 10% off on your first box, you can use the code FMC10 and I'll leave a little link down below for you to go check it out. So when you first open it up, obviously it was nice and pretty to begin with, but I ripped it open the day that it came. So this is what it looks like, and then obviously inside you have either your 5 masks or your 7 masks. If you are wondering, by the way, what lipstick combination I have on, because I'm doing this in every single video now, just so that I remember and so that also if you have any questions, at least you know. So the lip liner that I've got on is the Doll Beauty You Go Girl lip liner. Then we have the MAC Blank Tea lipstick, and then on the top we have the I Heart Revolution Salted Caramel lip gloss, which I'm obsessed with. It smells amazing, it is amazing, it's just, look at that shine. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's just get straight into the face mask. So the first one we have is the Real Avocado Essence Mask. It says it's nutrition and calming. Let's have a little look. It says it gives you nutrition to dry skin with avocado extract. It helps maintain skin moisture by relaxing skin and helps moisturize and gloss. Oh, and gloss dried skin. I read that totally wrong then. But this is what the avocado one looks like. If you are new to my channel, before we kind of went into Vlogtober and uploading every 2 days, I was doing kind of alternating Fridays between face mask Fridays and foundation Fridays. So obviously on a foundation Friday, we'd put a foundation to the test. On a face mask Friday, we'd put a face mask to the test. So if there's any certain ones in this pack that you like, Lucy, can you please try that out? I want to see if it works. Please leave it linked down below. Please leave it in the comments down below and I'll make sure that I'll do that as soon as possible for my next face mask Friday, because they will be starting back up again in November. I'm not too sure when you're seeing this video, but it'll be coming in November, the face mask Friday, so please let me know. Anyways, the next one is a coconut one. This is the Coconut Essential Sheet Mask. It says it strengthens the skin barrier and has a sedative effect and a whitening effect. Don't know how I feel about that one. Just says moisturises your dry skin, gives vitality to the skin that is tired by exposure to the harmful environment. These are all Korean face masks, by the way, in case I hadn't mentioned that or if that wasn't kind of obvious with the packaging and stuff. Yeah, they're all Korean skincare. The next one is one called another coconut one. This is the Coconut Milk 1-pack face mask. This one, the other 2 were sheet masks. This one is, oh no, it is a sheet mask. I thought it was going to be a liquid, but actually, no, I can feel the sheet in it. Yeah, so air pocket sheet. I don't know why I thought that was going to be different. So it's formulated with coconut fruit extract, provides deep hydration for a moisturised complexion. Soft milk extract helps to create a moisture barrier for ultimate hydration. And it says it has air pocket fibre in the actual sheet mask, which hugs facial contours whilst absorbing into the skin and delivers the essence into the skin as well. That one sounds interesting, especially that little air pocket technology that they've got going on as well. The packaging is so cute. The next one is a pearl one. This one's from Etude House, which is a really popular Korean. They do makeup as well as skincare. Let's see what this one does. So it's the Daily Low Irritant Mask made of breathable 0.2mm air sheet, effectively delivers 7 free essence to your skin. It says it contains luminous pearl and niacinamide. Niacinamide is also really, really good if you have really oily skin. It says a skin whitening agent and makes dull skin look bright and radiant. That's what the pearl one looks like. Super cute packaging. If I can spit my words out. The next one is the same packaging as the coconut one, but this one is a green tea one. So obviously it has that same air pocket sheet technology that I mentioned in the coconut one, and it says it's a green tea milk 1-pack face mask. There actually isn't any English at all in the back of this one for me to let you know a little bit about it, so that's just basically what it looks like, but I'm guessing it's going to be quite similar to the coconut one, but obviously just have a few different properties in it with it being green tea. The next one is a brightening oatmeal. Oatmeal? You wouldn't think it's 10:15. Essence mask. This says it contains oatmeal extract to provide ample nutrition and calm skin while supplying moisture and pure astriction. Astriction. Never seen that word before in my life. For flaky, weak skin, it provides skin with nutrition and helps it become smooth. I feel like these aren't kind of normal face masks. Like, they actually make me excited to try them because they're just so different. The next one is a lavender one. So this is the Pax Morley Real Lavender Mask Pack. It says it relaxes skin and improves skin elasticity as well. So it says it's a rich moisturising essence to help strengthen skin's moisture barrier and nourish skin for healthy balanced complexion. It says that your skin will appear more visibly radiant and glowy and will feel well hydrated and nourished. Oh my god. I think it's time for me to go to bed. I was up, like, the day that you're seeing this will be way afterwards, but I was up last night until after midnight buying the Revolution, Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast, like Belle and Tiana collection, like the full Disney collection. So I'm just pooped. I'm pooped. But yeah, this is what this last one looks like. A nice lavender one. I think that would be nice to do before bedtime, just to kind of unwind, get ready for the night. Yeah. But that is literally everything that is in this 7 mask subscription. Obviously, every month it's going to be different. But yeah, that is everything. And obviously, all the brands in it are Korean brands, which are meant to be really, really good when it comes to sheet masks. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to the Face Masks Club for sending this across to me. I'm really, really excited to try it. Like I said, if there's any certain ones that you want me to do in a Face Mask Friday, then please let me know, because I'll basically do them first before I touch any of the face masks as well. So I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.